Financial success often feels like an elusive dream, reserved for Wall Street tycoons and lottery winners. However, the truth is far simpler. The Little Book of Main Street Money reminds us that mastering basic financial principles can empower anyone to achieve lasting financial well-being. It's not about complex strategies or insider knowledge, it's about understanding the fundamentals and applying them consistently. This book advocates for a common-sense approach to money management, one that resonates with the realities of everyday life. It champions the idea that financial security is attainable for everyone, regardless of their income level or background. By embracing simplicity and adopting sound financial habits, we can pave the way for a brighter financial future. This book is a guide for those who seek financial independence without the jargon and complexity often associated with financial advice. It's a breath of fresh air, providing clear and actionable steps to take control of your finances. The Little Book of Main Street Money acts as a roadmap, guiding you toward financial stability and growth. The Little Book of Main Street Money stands out for its straightforward and relatable approach to personal finance. It doesn't dwell on intricate investment schemes or theoretical economic models. Instead, it focuses on the financial challenges faced by everyday people. The book's premise is simple. Managing money effectively is about making informed choices and sticking to them. This approach resonates with a broad audience because it acknowledges the complexities of modern life. People juggle multiple financial responsibilities, from paying bills to saving for retirement. This book offers practical advice on how to navigate these challenges without getting overwhelmed. It emphasizes the importance of setting realistic goals and developing a plan to achieve them. The book's significance lies in its ability to empower individuals to take charge of their financial lives. It provides a framework for making sound financial decisions, empowering readers to break free from debt, build savings, and plan for a secure future. It's a guide for navigating the financial realities of Main Street, where everyday people strive for financial stability and success. One of the book's key insights is the importance of budgeting. Creating a budget is not about restricting your spending. It's about understanding where your money goes and making conscious choices about how to allocate it. By tracking income and expenses, you gain a clear picture of your financial situation, enabling you to identify areas for improvement. The book also stresses the power of saving. Saving is not just about accumulating wealth. It's about creating a safety net for unexpected expenses and future goals. It encourages readers to develop a habit of saving regularly, even if it's a small amount. Consistent saving over time can lead to significant financial security. Another crucial point highlighted in the book is the importance of long-term investing. It encourages readers to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, aiming for long-term growth rather than quick profits. This approach emphasizes patience and consistency, recognizing that building wealth is a gradual process that requires discipline and a long-term perspective. Imagine a young couple, Sarah and David, struggling to make ends meet each month. They find themselves dipping into their savings to cover expenses, feeling a sense of financial insecurity. The Little Book of Main Street Money would advise Sarah and David to start by creating a detailed budget. By diligently tracking their income and expenses, they can identify areas where they can cut back on unnecessary spending. Perhaps they realize they're spending more than they thought on dining out or subscription services. Budgeting empowers them to make informed decisions about their spending habits, redirecting funds toward essential needs and savings goals. As Sarah and David stick to their budget, they start to see a positive change in their financial situation. They gain a sense of control over their money, knowing where it's going and how it's being used. Their financial stress gradually diminishes, replaced by a feeling of empowerment and financial stability. Budgeting becomes their tool for taking charge of their financial well-being. Consider a single mother, Maria, working hard to provide for her children and secure their future. She knows she needs to invest for the long term, but she's intimidated by the complexities of the stock market. The Little Book of Main Street Money would advise Maria to start with a simple, diversified investment strategy. The book encourages Maria to invest in a mix of stocks and bonds through low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. It emphasizes the importance of staying invested for the long term, riding out market fluctuations and focusing on steady growth. It reminds Maria that time is her greatest asset in building wealth. As Maria consistently invests a portion of her income over the years, she witnesses the power of compound growth. Her investments gradually increase in value, providing a sense of security and hope for her children's future. She realizes that long-term investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about building a solid financial foundation for a brighter future. The Little Book of Main Street Money offers a refreshing perspective on personal finance, emphasizing the power of simplicity and consistency. It demystifies financial concepts, making them accessible and actionable for everyone. The book's core message is clear. Financial well-being is attainable through informed choices and disciplined habits. By embracing the principles outlined in the book, readers can gain control over their finances, build a secure future, and achieve their financial aspirations. The book's insights empower individuals to break free from the cycle of debt, accumulate savings, and invest wisely for the long term. It's a guide for navigating the financial realities of everyday life, providing a roadmap toward a brighter financial future. Ultimately, the Little Book of Main Street Money is a testament to the power of financial literacy. It empowers individuals to take charge of their financial destiny, reminding them that financial success is not a matter of luck or privilege. It's a matter of knowledge, discipline, and a commitment to making sound financial choices. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.